So I'm walking through the airport. I just got back from Oakland, and I wanted to give you guys an update on an interesting development. Robinhood, which is arguably the most popular trading app that there is right now, just crashed out of nowhere. And a lot of investors are livid over it. I was one of them. I went into my account. I tried to make some trades. I couldn't do anything. And then I checked. I said, well, maybe I got the days wrong. Maybe I thought it was, maybe it's really Saturday, or maybe it's a holiday. And I looked around, and no, the market was open, and the app was dead. And last time I checked, and it's the afternoon now, the app is still dead on my phone. And I thought about this, and I tweeted at the company and basically said, this is a real problem for you, because, you know, you got people that lost real money, that couldn't make trades during a market rally. And you know, here's the other thing. Robinhood's not alone. Charles Schwab had an issue when the market declined. And what tends to happen in the stock market is that when there's a lot of information, remember we talked about how much information has been released due to what's going on with the coronavirus. And it's really kind of fuzzy information, which makes, you know, the volatility worse, the trading volume higher. You know, when this kind of happens, everybody and their mother wants to trade. Everybody is trading on all kinds of information, some of it good information, some bad, some real, some fake, some clear, some fuzzy, some based on what actually happened, some information based on what people think is going to happen, some of it based on what they think is going to happen as a result of what happened. So you've got all these different players coming to the market to try to trade, and that tends to happen when the market makes a big move. And so what also tends to happen, though, is that's when the systems go down. That's when the technology says, whoa, we can't handle this. And next thing you know, the people that want to trade the most can't trade. And this isn't new. This has been going on for a really long time. Even during the 87 crash, people were livid because they couldn't get on the phone with their broker to make a trade. This is before the internet and all that. But here's my point. Here's the point I want to get to. Robinhood's going to get sued, number one. They're going to get sued by a lot of investors. I'm not going to sue them, but I was pretty mad. And this is another point that made me think about, is we talk a lot about diversification. You know, those of you who are in my investing class and those of you who are investors, you've heard me talk about diversification as one of the most important rules of investing. Well, another level of diversification might be diversifying amongst your different trading apps. I would not put all my money on one app. I don't have all my money on one app. I'm not going to have all my money on one app, because even if you look at Robinhood, for example, they've had a lot of other mishaps like this. They had another situation where there was a glitch in the software, and people were able to borrow unlimited amounts of money to, you know, somebody with $5,000 in their account could go make $1 million trade. And then also they were supposed to start doing banking and actually allow you to create a savings account and make 3% interest. Well, unfortunately, they didn't comply with all the federal regulations, which led to the app being thrown out the window. So I'm really curious about who's running this company. You know, who are the decision makers? What's their background? Because it seems like maybe things that appear to be secure really aren't as secure as you think. Also, just in terms of investing, it's going to be interesting to see how this coronavirus thing plays out. I'm going to keep following this very closely, and I'll give you guys some insights on that. Make sure you subscribe to theblackfinancialchannel.com, and also if you want to do a 30-day trial of my stock market investing class for just $1, we left that offer extend a little bit because a lot of you still want to join in. So you can go to theblackstockmarketprogram.com, THE. That's theblackstockmarketprogram.com. Thank you guys. It's great talking to you, and have a great day. See you soon. Bye.